Welcome to this Universal update, and you'll notice that we are actually starting in City Walk, which is what most people do, but I wanted to show you the progress on Big Fire, which I can finally say is called Big Fire because it has been officially released, and I'm not giving you inside information. I've known it's going to be Big Fire. I thought it was going to be called Big Fire Grill, but yep, it's official now. I'm also trying out a new tripod head, so looks pretty smooth. You'll be able to see more details about this tripod and the tripod head on Dave Tech, coming soon. New channel. Meanwhile, over here in Jurassic Park, these walls are still up for mysterious reasons. What are they here for? Nobody knows. I guess maybe we'll find out someday. They're still here. Over here is a raptor encounter, right? Nope. It's been relocated over here to what was a seating area for food. Come on, exposure. Yeah, Hogsmeade is fairly busy, but not too bad. I'd say at most this is a 3 today. Butterbeer. Random arcade trip. Alright, say goodbye to 5. This is a brand new game. Looks like a waste of money, so let's do it. Seriously, that's all you do. What? I'm okay. Wow. That was $2. Come out as you're playing, which is distracting. Let's try it one more time. Oh, that was pretty lame. Dominant hand this time.
Are you gonna get a bonus for going the same hole? I know you're not. Whoops. Wow, that was terrible. That was worse.
I probably should read the numbers on there. The red is actually the best one. Oh well, that's $5. Over here at USF, Universal Superstar Parade preparation is underway, and crowds are pretty moderate. Cha cha cha. I just missed it. It's finally public that this is going to be the Today Cafe. This is replacing the Beverly Hills Boulangerie, and annual pass holder previews are coming very soon. Some of the comic heroes that were in the exit shop for T2 3D are now here in Men in Black. This is a statue you deserve, but not the one you can afford. Ooh, it's a hologram. I mean, you can't fake something with a hologram on it. And also, here's pictures of someone signing something that looks like this, so it must be the same thing. I mean, it can't be fake if there's a picture of someone signing something. It's absolute proof. That's where you exit the ride. I didn't even know there was a little room back here. I've never seen this before. I like these bags. These are, oh, falling. $26.99. And they hold a lot. This comes up, there's another pouch here, and just extra rings on the side here. And this is perfect for a Leatherman if you have one. And then there's the main compartment here, and even another one back here. And then in the back, there's another one. So, I mean, storage all over the place. And of course, it's also available in pink. Sometimes camo, but not in this store. These are really nice too if you want something smaller. It just has this compartment and this compartment though. And a little... And as you can see, this is also available in red. And this looks similar, but it's just one pouch. This is $26.95, sorry. Same price as this. And this is $18.95. So actually available in 4 colors because here it is in blue. Over here you can personalize a phone case with your name. And here are the phones and the prices. Actually, there are some Androids. A lot of times it's their only iPhone. But I wanted to remind you that if your phone is running low, and if you're under a certain age, it probably is, that you can buy a fuel rod here for $30. But just to remember, it's $3 to swap it for one that is fully charged. So you might be wondering what happened to the DC stuff. Well, some Halloween things have come into the shop. What does this mean? Actually, this time I really don't know. But this is from The Fly. I'm sure they're replicas, but I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know for certain, but I'm guessing that they're probably replicas. Careful of this painting, it might come alive and steal babies. They even have Fast and Furious stuff in here. Just a mixture. But what's interesting is this area has been taken over by Halloween, which is awesome. And some props up here. But the Hearst is now here. Along with this guy who used to be outside Cafe La Bamba as the fountain and somehow has found his way in here. A little bit of Universal's past up there. Classic Monsters. Ecto 1. We used to have a full-size version of this in the park until apparently it was crashed. Oh, check out the Slimer with the room service cart from the original movie. This is where they used to show the costumes worn by the actors in T2 3D. Now it's looking more like the horror and makeup show, which is cool. Although there's a reference to T2 up there. It's a skull, but obviously metallic with red eyes. That's kind of cool. Little Easter egg, I guess. Look, it's the director. Just kidding. Oops. Should probably give this to the housekeeping service. It's got a stain on it. So yeah, I honestly have no idea why all this stuff is suddenly here, but it is new. There's a little bit of superhero stuff here left, but not as much as there used to be, even though this was never a superhero attraction to begin with. So that's a look at the parks. I have one more thing to show you, progress on the pedestrian overpass. I'm going to end this video with a look at the pedestrian crosswalk I've shown you before. As you can see, it's coming very, very close to being finished. The railings are in, they're working on it right now. Don't have an estimated time of completion still, but looking like it's gonna be soon. So that's a look at Universal Orlando minus Volcano Bay, which I recently showed you. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.